Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back to Mario's World, the place where education meets fun. I haven't made YouTube videos in a while and I think it's about time I start moving forward in the direction that we all want to, meaning development. I took some time to relax as I've been working 24/7 on all of my other projects, as I'm leading a few companies, I'm also being a consultant for a few companies, and I'm also privately holding a few companies, which I think is incredibly crucial. I've been developing my portfolio, I've been trying to get more into dividends, into real estate, into a lot of passive income sources so that I can generate passive income and be able to do what I really love, which currently is YouTube. Just wanted to give you a very brief update of what has been happening for the past 3-4 months, as I haven't been able to update you. So first of all, I was still working at Silicon Valley Bank, which is no longer true. I ended up all of my internships with the fintech department, with the credit solutions department, and now I'm back at university. As you can see, that's University of Surrey, and I'm gonna be here for my final year. I've joined a couple of societies, such as the Consulting Society. I've also joined up the Volleyball Society. I've at the same time joined a couple of other societies, and I'm also a well-being champion, which I'm extremely excited and proud to be able to say that, as I'm really happy and looking forward to helping a lot of people around the community. Another thing that happened throughout the summer is that I spent most of my time in Greece, I spent most of my time in Turkey, I spent some time in Bulgaria, I met a lot of friends, I had some fun time with people hanging around. I met people that I haven't seen. I got introduced to people that I have never thought existed beforehand, and it's just such an amazing experience that I had for the past 3 months. As you know, I was basically burnt out and I needed to relax and take some time off. But whatsoever, I'm now back at it, so be prepared to watch every week for the upcoming video, maybe even a few videos per week. We'll see how things go based on how well you're interacting with the content. Something else worth mentioning is that I'm no longer living in London. I'm already in Guildford, which is where the University of Surrey is, and I'm really looking forward to graduating from the university, hopefully with first honor degree. I'm at the same time thinking about outsourcing the editors for all of my videos, so there may be some few things here and there which are new to the channel, but make sure that you take them with positive attitude and let me know what are your comments on how the new editor is doing. And that's basically it in a nutshell. I don't want to take more of your time. It's been lovely to be back, and I'm extremely excited to be able to start making videos for you guys. One of the videos that I'm going to be showing to you in the next few weeks or so is going to be how much does an EU citizen spend in the UK as a student? How much should you explore into credit cards? What kind of best financial advices, or which are one of the best dividend paying yielding companies out there? Just everything you can think about when it comes down to personal finance, just investments in general, and just anything that you guys are really interested in. There's some really big news happening all across the world at the moment, so there's fun stuff all the time, every day. I'm checking the news, and every time I'm waking up and be like, I can't believe this thing is happening now. Well, I'm really hoping that you guys are feeling well due to the current circumstances and everything's going just brilliant. And up to the next one. You know how it is. Stay strong and don't forget to have fun. See ya.